Hey everyone, so being as my last few videos have been taking me ages to finish, and I've actually got a video in flight whilst doing this video, which is finishing the rear seat delete in the Evo. A box has arrived from Carbonzilla in the UK, so I thought let's do an unboxing video, and at least it's me doing a video and me not forgetting how to use YouTube. So this turned up today, rather beaten up looking box from the UK. It's taken a while to get here and there's been a bit of a kind of faff with customs, but it's here now. So it's come from a company in the UK called Carbonzilla, as I mentioned. Not heard of them before. They do a lot of carbon parts, surprise, surprise. And some of the parts that they do a bonnet for the Evo, which is utterly insane, vents everywhere. I'll put a link in the video so you can have a look at that if it interests you. And they also make a trunk lid. So I've got the trunk lid. So let's get it out of the packaging and inspect it, and then obviously I'll do a video of me fitting it at some point in the not too distant future when I've finished dicking about with the interior. Okay, so here we are. You'd think I'd be quicker at unboxing stuff by now, the amount of stuff I unboxed. That took ages. You can see, I mean, it's got here in perfect condition, which is always good. But where it's been polished and detailed, finished, that needs kind of tidying up a little bit on the edges and things. But it's a fiberglass frame and inner skeleton with carbon laid on top, so it's not so light, it's not ultra strong, but it'll do the job. And it's almost impossible now, I found, to get pure carbon parts for the Evo. I mean, I'm a bit late to the party in terms of modifying an Evo 5. Anyway, so we'll have a look at the backside now. And just make sure that's all okay and you can kind of see the finish and stuff on that, and then that'll be it. It's onwards to the next video, which will hopefully be fitting it at some point, and I'll weigh it in that video also. So let us flip it over now and just have a little look at that glorious carbon fibre. There you go. So as with all these parts, they always need a proper polish. I'm getting the purest stuff out for that, but yeah, all looking good. It's got the number plate recesses, if you can see them there, for the lights cut out. And it's a perfect mould, essentially, from an Evo 6 one, as I said. Unfortunately, it does have the recess there for the lock, which I'm going to have to do something about. I'm going to have to cut a hole in and put a grommet in there or something just to try and tidy that up, because it looks a bit of a mess. But maybe the air catches will be in that position, we will see. Anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. Finally done a video, hurrah. Yeah, keep your eyes peeled for when I get it onto the car, hopefully.